Today I want to talk about sneezing. It means chew, chew. I saw many Facebook posts who trolled in this part or in this matter that girls sneeze in front of people like chew, chew, very mild. And whenever they are in home or they are not in front of anyone, then they do like achoo, achoo. But to some extent this is true. But in my case this is different, because whenever I am in outside and I feel like I want to sneeze, then I don't take any risks. I just do one thing, that is pressing on my nose. That means I want to stop sneezing. I don't want to cut out my nose in front of anyone. That's why I do this. But I would like to request you not to do, because this is not good for your health. So don't try it. ভিডিও শেষে বলতে চাই, আমার পেজটা একটু ঘুরে আসবেন। আরও ভিডিও আছে অনেক মজার মজার, প্লাস রান্না রিলেটেডও আছে, ব্লগ আছে, শিক্ষণীয় কিছু আছে। যদি ভালো লাগে তাহলে ঘুরে দেখবেন, লাইক করবেন অবশ্যই, ভুলবেন না কিন্তু, আর শেয়ার করে অন্যদেরকে দেখা শুরু করে দেবেন। টাটা বাই বাই, আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.